Look what came in the post today. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm opening up yet another SnackCrate box. In case you're new here, my name is Amy and normally I've been making travel vlogs, but lockdown and COVID. So instead of travelling, I found another way to have a little bit of a taste of the world without actually leaving home, and that's through SnackCrate. Now, I'm not paid or sponsored by SnackCrate in any shape or form, just think it's a fun little way to explore the world without actually leaving your home. So SnackCrate is a monthly subscription box where they send you snacks from all over the world, and the fun part is you never know what you're going to get until the box comes. So as always, I'll leave a link in the description to SnackCrate if you want to get your hands on your very own crate as well. Alright, let's open her up. I'm kind of hoping for something a little bit further away than the European continent, because the last two boxes I got, I had the Netherlands and Russia as well, which were great boxes. So I'm hoping for something a bit more exotic this time. I'm also hoping to have a bit of chocolate or something like that in here. Alright, this time we got road trip. We got the US! I love American sweets. They are so nice and they're pretty much exactly the same as what you get here. Oh, I'm so excited! So this box is completely different because I think the theme centers around road trip. So it's pretty much like snacks that you can get from all over the US, because the US is probably one of the best countries in the world for road trips. Like, it gives you a map of the US and all these different parks and places that you can visit. This is really cool. Oh my god, look at the packaging this time. It's all Route 66. This is actually really class. Alright, let's open her up. Ooh, I ripped it. So first thing in our box is potato chips, which is a must-have for every road trip. So what are these? Cheapskate crab, Route 11 potato chips, kettle cooked potatoes, salty and spicy. They sound nice. And we got this pie cookie thing. What is this? Joey's Black and White. These soft and fluffy cookies from New York will put you in an empire state of mind. Separate sides or eat them as one, it's all up to you. Okay, so it's a cookie. So next we have, I think it's like jerky? Some kind of elk and pork snack stick. So it's kind of like biltong that you can get in South Africa. It's kind of like jerky type thing. I've actually never had this. I had biltong in South Africa, but not exactly jerky. Next we have Marshall's homemade Buckeyes. What's a Buckeye? They might literally resemble a buck's eye, but these chocolatey peanut balls from Ohio are creamy and they melt in your mouth. Ooh, they sound nice. What we have is a go-go cluster. Peanut caramel marshmallow nougat covered in milk chocolate. Ooh, that sounds good. I will be 100% honest though, I don't know what it is, but sweets from Canada and US generally have peanuts and lots of nuts and stuff like that. I'm not a huge nut fan, but I don't know what it is, just everything has peanuts and nuts over there. Next thing in the box then is the original Hoi Fond Sriracha Ai Tuna Jerky. What language is that? Handcrafted Hawaiian tuna jerky. I didn't know you can jerky a tuna.
I'm sorry, what did I just say?
I didn't know you can jerky a tuna.
I didn't know you can jerky a tuna. Good one, Amy, good one.
So I'm just reading the leaflet down where they give you information all about the sweets, and basically each sweet is representative of each state. So the Joey's Black and White is based off New York, the tuna turkey is based on Hawaii, the go-go cluster is based in Tennessee, the crisps are based in Virginia, and the jerky is New Mexico. This is really cool. So this one isn't exactly country specific. Well, it is with the US, but it's also state by state. Instead of just throwing in a bunch of sweets and saying they're all from the US, they actually give you something that is special to each state, which I think is a great idea. Right, what am I going to try first? I think I'll try the jerky first. It's kind of soft and squishy.
How do you open this? Oh, here. Okay. Okay. How do you open this? Oh.
How do you open this? 1 second. There we go. That's how you do it. Okay. There we go. This has to be one of the most hardest things I had to open. My god. Okay. Tastes like a hot dog. Cold hot dog, but it tastes like a hot dog. It's really nice actually. Yep. Tastes just like a hot dog. Next we're going to try the potato chips or kettle cooked chips. What's the difference between potato chips and kettle chips? Someone let me know down in the comments, what is the difference between kettle chips and just normal potato chips? Curious. They have very weird shapes to them, they're like really wavy. Maybe kettle chips are thinner. I don't know. Oh, they're definitely spicy. Oh, they are probably the spiciest crisps I've ever had. Oh my god. It just says kettle cooked potatoes, but what makes them spicy? Okay, next I'm going to go for the tuna jerky. The Hawaiian food is definitely a place I would love to visit. It feels kind of sticky. A bit weird. They definitely smell like fish. Yep, they're definitely fish. I don't exactly know if I like this or not. It's just weird. There's a lot of flavour to it though. Like, I mean, you can definitely taste like the smokiness of it, but good thing as well is that they highlight that it's sustainably caught, which is a good thing. I saved this for last. Hopefully it's the best. I'm gonna have a Joey's cookie. Now I'm gonna leave out the other things because honestly I'm not a fan of peanut butter. I know I'm not gonna like it, or peanuts or nuts. I know I'm not gonna like it, so I'm gonna give them to my family then because they'll probably like it. It just says that it's a black and white cookie. It doesn't exactly say what is in it. It's a really soft cookie as well. I'm just going to break a piece off and see. Ooh. Oh, it's like sponge cake. How does this class as a cookie then if it's like sponge cake? It's more cake than anything else. I'm actually going to just bite right in the middle between the chocolate and the vanilla, I think. Oh, this is beautiful. This is so good. Definitely 10 out of 10 for this one. No! Charlie, you're not getting my food. There's no chocolate, you're not allowed. Charlie's looking to get a bit of my snacks, but you're not having it because most of it is chocolate. Want to try jerky? You might like jerky. Yeah, want that? That good? Is that nice? So that's everything for this box then. This is a really fun box to unbox. Again, I'll leave a link to SnackCrate in the description if you want to get your hands on your very own box. And if you like this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and also hit subscribe as well to see more videos just like this. I'm also active on social media. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description. So thanks very much for watching. Stay safe, wash your hands, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye.